In a world that never seems to slow down, where every moment is packed with notifications, noise, and demands, we often forget one simple truth: that we are allowed to pause. Somewhere between our endless to-do lists and the constant pressure to be productive, we lose the ability to just be. But mindfulness is the art of returning to ourselves. Mindfulness is not about changing who you are. It's not about shutting down your thoughts or achieving some perfect state of peace. It's simply about being fully present in the moment, aware of what you're doing, what you're feeling, and where you are, without being consumed by the past or the future. From the moment we open our eyes each day, we're pulled in every direction. Our minds start racing before our feet even touch the floor. We scroll, we check, we compare, we rush. And by the end of the day, we're exhausted, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. But what if, in the middle of all that noise, you took 5 minutes to pause, to breathe, to notice the moment you're in, without judgment, without expectation? Science tells us that these small moments of presence can make a powerful difference. Research from Harvard and other leading institutions has shown that practicing mindfulness for just a few minutes a day can physically change the brain. It strengthens the areas responsible for memory, emotional regulation, and focus, while calming down the parts that fuel stress and anxiety. And the best part is, you don't have to go anywhere special to find it. You don't need candles, incense, or a yoga mat. Mindfulness begins where you are, right here, right now. Let's take a moment together. Gently close your eyes if you're in a safe space to do so. Take a slow, deep breath in. Feel your lungs expand. Hold it softly for a second. Now exhale gently, letting go of any tension you're carrying. Bring your attention to your body. Feel the weight of yourself against the ground or chair. Notice your hands. Are they tight or relaxed? Notice your jaw, your shoulders. Just observe, without needing to change anything. Now shift your focus to your breath. Feel the air moving in through your nose, out through your mouth. Stay with it for a few seconds. If your mind drifts, and it will, just acknowledge that it wandered and gently bring it back to your breath. There's no need to be perfect. There's just presence. That's all mindfulness is, choosing to be here, choosing to show up for your own life one moment at a time. And the more you practice, the more it shows up in your daily life, in how you sip your coffee in the morning, in how you listen when someone speaks, in the way you notice the sky as you walk. You begin to carry peace within you, not as a reaction to your surroundings, but as a natural part of how you move through the world. Thank you for embracing mindfulness today. If this moment resonated with you, share it with someone who might need a pause too. And as always, remember, you are enough. You are here.